Today, I will be giving a quick unboxing and assembly demonstration of the Luck Racer gaming chair sold by Amazon for $179.99. The item arrives securely packaged. It is not extremely heavy at just under 50 pounds. The provided Allen wrench will completely assemble the chair. No other tools are required. All of the hardware is clearly labeled and easy to find, and extra hardware is provided. The hardware is numbered, and the chair components are lettered, making the instructions easy to follow. Start by placing the chair base upside down. Insert the tip of part C2 into the base C1 and lock in place with screws 6. Insert the casters I into the base C1 and C2. Install the gas lift E and the gas lift cover L. Place the seat B upside down and install the mechanism F with screws 1 and the footrest connector N with screws 8. Place the seat B on the gas lift E. Place the chair back A upside down and lift the Velcro cover. Install the connector H with screws 3. Do not tighten the screws completely until they are all fixed in the correct position. Install the chair back A to the rear end of the seat B and secure with screws 4 and washers 10. Do not tighten the screws completely until they are all fixed in the correct position. Install the armrests D with screws 5 and washers 10, then secure them with caps 7. Attach the headrest J and lumbar pillow K. Place the footrest G2 upside down and attach the bar G1 with screws 2. The long end of the bar G1 should be in the same direction as the arrow sticker on the footrest G2. After the footrest G2 is installed into the footrest connector N, put the rubber ring 9 into the slot of the bar G1 to prevent the footrest G2 from falling out. Congratulations! You have completed the assembly of your new Luck Racer gaming chair.